What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today, as you can see, the kind people over at Benks, they were kind enough to send me out their Glass Warrior screen protector for my S25 Ultra. So first we're going to get this unboxed and we're going to install it on the S25 Ultra. So let me get my unboxing knife real quick so we can see what we get, and I will make sure I drop a link in the description so you can go order these products for yourself if you want to. Bear with me, this does have a lot of plastic on the outside. So now just gonna unbox it like so. Take the plastic off. Let's get it opened up. Okay. Get everything took out. See what you get. So you get your fiber cleaning cloth, as you can see. You get your wet wipe, or screen protector. And I love when companies put their screen protectors in screen protector housing. This makes it 10 times easier to install this on your device. So first, what we want to do is take the wet wipe and give this bad boy a good little wipe down, so that way we can have a good looking install on the device. Just wipe it down real good, like so. Okay, so once you do that, then you want to go with your fiber cleaning cloth, give it another wipe. This may put some hairs and things on your phone, but it's okay, because the next step we're going to do is we're going to use your dust removable sticker just to get up all the little dirt, dust, and grime that has fell on your phone. Just make sure you don't have any cats, dogs around. If you do, put them away, because you could clean your phone off, but with them cats and dogs being around, they have a lot of dander and hair that drops off of them daily. So just make sure you put them away, or blow some air on your phone, because you do not want any kind of dirt, dust, or grime on your device. So this is the top. This is the bottom. So we're just going to drop this on just like that, and we're going to read the steps so we can get this nicely installed. I'm going to press down, and then I'm going to pull number 2 tab. So let's go. This is number 1. Pull number 1 off just like that. Simple and easy. And then you go, let this adhere to the screen, and then you want to go pull off number 2. If I did that right, then you should be able to just lift up, and just like that, your screen protector is now on your device. I have no kind of bubbles, no dust, no dirt, no grime under the screen. This was a nice install. You almost cannot tell that a screen protector is on the device, and I really like that. It is edge to edge. You should not have any problem with cases fitting on your S25 Ultra if you are rocking this Benks Glass Warrior screen protector. You should be good to go. So this is how everything is gonna look. Like I said, it's edge to edge protection, and it does help that the S25 Ultra has a flat screen. So now screen protectors can go on just perfectly. So this is what this is gonna look like. Like I said, I will drop a link in the description to where you can go pick this up for yourself. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.